Hi everybody, today I am working on a Halloween lantern topper. This is, I thought I had the price tag on this, didn't I just, okay. This is a Family Dollar lantern. It was $5 originally. I got it for like $2.50 or $1.25 after summer last year, so around this time is probably when they're going to start clearing it out as they start bringing in fall. They'll get rid of the summer stuff. This was summer. A lot of them had, because this is real glass, if there were 20 of them, like 15 of them had broken glass. I did have to dig through them, and there was one of them that was broken on the bottom, but that must be somewhere else. So I'm just gonna do a bow, do some stuff up top, make it pretty, make it Halloweeny. And I'm gonna start off with my bow. I have not filmed a video or edited a video or done much of anything in a while. So, should be interesting. So all my ribbon is from Craft Outlet. I have some florals from Walmart, Dollar Tree. I have some little ornaments over there I'm going to be adding, but let's start off with the bow. I'm going to use this lime because it's in this ribbon. And it's in my little things over here. I'm just going to make a, probably the 3-loop bow I always end up doing. And it's all 1.5 inch ribbon. So I'm going to do, what do I think, like 6? Start off at 6 and then go down like a 1/2 inch every time. So yeah, I have not made a project in a while because I have, it's hard for me right now. I'm trying to make sure my mom's okay, and I completely overexerted myself over the past 12 days. It's been 12 days since Carl died, and I'm just like, I know I need to take a break, like a proper, just like sit down and not do anything for a while break. But if you've been watching these videos for any length of time, you know that that is not me. I am not a sit around and not do things kind of person. So I am exhausted and it feels like there's no end in sight. But I am just kind of, I'm just gonna have to like grin and bear it, I guess, and force myself to, like, staying home's not the problem. It's staying home and not doing 1,000 things. Okay, so these loops are at 5.5. And my tails are still at 6 because I like to leave those a little bit longer and then trim them up when I'm done. Because I want the, you know, some will be going up, some will be coming down. I want the lower ones to be longer, the topper ones to be shorter. The higher ones to be shorter. That whole roll of polka dotted ribbon just unrolled itself. Perfect. So yes, how are you guys doing? My channel got monetized. I'm like, how are you doing? Anyway, let me talk about me some more. My channel finally got monetized thanks to some efforts from all of you guys and a lot of my friends and my family, and just super happy about that. Ads are running now, which I apologize for because I know they're annoying, but just know that every time you sit through an ad, you are helping me not continue this channel, because I mean, I'm not going to be one of those people that's like, oh, you're supporting me, but oh, there's an ant again, but you're helping me help my mom, because obviously her financial situation has changed somewhat drastically, and I need to do what I need to do to help her out. So it was at 5, so this one's going to be like 4.5. So yeah, if you want to support me, you can just watch the videos. You can leave a comment and a like. Watch the ads. Oh yeah, with this one, like 4.5. Yeah. My Etsy should be listed below by now. I've been working on it for the past couple of days. That's another thing. Like that just takes it out of me. I'd rather have 1,000 wreaths hanging on my wall than no money than have to list one thing on Etsy. But not really, obviously. Yeah, if you see something you like, you know, if you see something you like but you want it in a different color or done a different way, I am completely open to custom orders within reason. But I'm going to post a dedicated video to that at some point. Alright, so 6, 5.5, 5, 4.5. And there's 3 loops on each side and tails and all that good stuff. And I think I'm going to let this business please do not start barking. I need a piece to tie around the back, so I'm just going to cut this, put that off to the side. Straighten this out because it kind of fell over, which happens every time I make a wreath, it seems. You could have put this in the beginning, I just did not think about that. This is just going to be to tie on because I want this to be removable. And this looks like a very big bow for this lantern, but we'll see. And it pulled 7 other projects with it. Okay, go back over there. Over there. I'm gonna clip this off. Now with this, I can move that over. I swear I could clean this table every day and then still come to shoot a video and be like, why is there stuff all over the table? Okay, and I think I want this like right in the middle. Do we like that? Or off to the side? I think I want it right in the middle because the last one I did was off to the side. I'm going to take this and make sure the nice side is out. Alright, that seems better. So, 2 tails, 1 loop. And where do I want to start? I have this pumpkin here, which I really want to use, but it's got like gold in it, and for some reason that just seemed weird to me. And I also have these black, like maple leaves that I want to throw in there. This is another one of those quarter picks from Walmart. Still not sure why they're a quarter. And I don't think that I'm going to use one. I want to use this? I mean, it looks just kind of... No. That was easy enough, huh? I think I might want to just stick this pumpkin right in the middle if I can tear it away from here. Going in with my glue over here, which has been heating up for like 10 minutes and it's still not really hot, but I'm putting that right in the middle. That's good. And I like kind of gluing stuff in the middle because all this stuff is now going to stay exactly where it's at because there's literally 1.5 pounds of glue on it. Oh, that was scary. Just gonna place these little, what are these? I guess I maple leaves, but they're like oak leaves, huh? These are some Walmart roses, the ones that were $1. I think I just want like 3 of these. Bend. And this has a little electric candle in the inside, a flameless candle, whatever you want to call them. If you want, you can take that out and put something inside of it. I was gonna, have it lit up, but it takes AAA batteries. I bought like 3 things this week that I needed. Well, one of them was a projector from the Dollar Tree that I thought would be fun to play with when I can't sleep in the middle of the night. But everything took like AAA batteries and I have none. Which is weird because that's usually the only batteries I buy because that's the kind my mouse takes. So we're like right here with just the roses, the leaves, and the pumpkin. I don't know why they went with gold. Doesn't that seem weird? I mean, not like super weird, it's just like, why gold? I think this would have looked really nice, like, instead of gold, if it was like a pewter or like a gunmetal. Not silver, but just something kind of more Halloween. I guess I just don't think gold is a Halloween color. Even though I did a whole video last year where I spray painted a bunch of crap gold. Maybe I do think of it as a Halloween color. I'm just kind of filling in. Remember that you're always going to be coming back and fluffing up that bow some more. I want to deal with this because I cut it too short. I'm gonna put some glue on it, cut it short, and then stick something on top of it. Alright, and the last thing I have are some dealy doos from this pick that I bought from Craft Outlet. I'm going to leave these kind of long because I want them sticking out, but I want the black. I want this one because it's small. I guess I need the small orange. And then maybe the striped purple. What's about Halloween? It's just like, I think everything is like should be stripy. Maybe not the black. That's kind of leave the black out of there. My lights are acting goofy again. Cute. There we go. Alright, what am I gonna do with this, y'all? I want to cut this short. Okay. And maybe I will glue the black ball back here. Like under here a little bit. And then I guess a rouge. If anything else just like sitting around this table. Just to hide that knot. Yeah. In the back. This is the front. Let me zoom out some so you can see the whole shebang. Cute! I like doing lanterns. It's like a wreath, but it's just a bow. And then a bunch of craft flute into it. Alright, I guess this one would be more permanent because... Well, no, I guess if you wanted to change it, you could just pop this off, cut the ribbon, and, you know, just add a new ribbon next year. Or add a wire since you can't really get another ribbon in there. Anyway, so I will get some pictures of this outside, and it's hanging up, and you'll be able to see how nice it looks, because it does. I really need to Windex this, huh? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.